In this video, I'm going to give you 6 exercises that you can work on to transition from downward dog to a forward fold via a handstand. We're going to start off small, and the exercises are going to build up in their difficulty. And if you drill these exercises, you'll develop your handstand balance at the same time. So the first thing I want you to do is to start from downward dog. And I want you to jump so that your feet land between your hands. Now this is going to require shoulder strength. I don't want you to worry about whether this is difficult or easy. What you're going to find is that shoulder strength is going to build and you're going to start to float. So at first it's going to be clumsy, and over time you will develop the strength and the control and the balance to float and land your feet between your hands. The next exercise is to do a similar thing but land with your feet outside of your hands. We're just conditioning our body and our hips to do a whole range of different movements. The next exercise is to jump, but to straighten your legs so that they end up in a split straddle position. You're going to transition through this straddle handstand and land softly with your feet hip width apart in a forward fold. The next exercise is to keep your feet together, keep your legs straight so that you're jumping forward in a pike configuration. Landing as softly as possible, just do your best. The next exercise is jump to a tuck position with your bum over your head. If you're concerned about falling over, put a crash mat in front of you, or do it right next to the wall so that you get used to being upside down. Or work with a friend who can spot you. The last and the final piece, once you're balancing in tuck, is to straighten your legs up to a straight handstand, keep the legs straight as you pike down, and land softly in your forward fold. This is going to take time. It's not going to happen quickly, but if you drill these exercises, 5 reps on each one of those, sooner or later you're going to get the hang of it and you're going to be developing that handstand balance at the same time. Ben Lowry, acrolibrary.com.